Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. If you love a quick project, then this property is for you. Here's your unique opportunity to complete this 9-bedroom home, boasting great income earning potential and a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea. Located in one of the most peaceful and well developed neighborhoods, Sandhills, which is a part of Hellshire Hills. This 4,400 plus square feet home sits on 10,345 square feet of flat landscaped land. Downstairs, which was recently renovated, boasts 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open concept kitchen, living and dining, large washroom, front and back patios, and a two-car covered garage, while the unfinished portion of the home upstairs boasts 5 bedrooms with an impressive primary suite, 3 bathrooms, massive living, dining, and kitchen spaces, front and back patios, and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Call to make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $319.4 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.